everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica.
Nick.
And Nick is joining me today. Nick is my son. If you haven't seen any videos with him, he's been in a couple recent videos. And I just got my Allure box.
Started to do well.
Welcome, Nick. I just got my Allure box in the mail, and Nick said, oh, I'll sit in on that unboxing, right?
This is part 2 of Nick doing an unboxing video.
Yes, this is number 2 of Nick doing an unboxing video. All right. So this should be an interesting unboxing because sometimes I have to block our faces in order for my camera to focus on the item. So I'm going to have to ask Nick to help me out with that a little bit.
All right.
Anyway, we're going to go ahead and open the box. You go ahead and take the front off. I'll hold the box. You take the front off. Okay. And right there is a booklet. So I'm going to hang on to the booklet,
Answer booklet
so that I can read it. But here is everything in the box this month. So what I'm going to ask Nicholas to do is pull things out. We'll take a look at them, and I will read what the book says. So what are you going to pull out first?
This
one is the First Aid Beauty Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. So here we go. We'll hold the package up. So there is the packaging. It is not sealed, so I am going to put a little bit out on the back of my hand, and it does have just a slight tint to it. There it is on my hand. I'm going to rub it in, and it just feels like a nice lotion. It does have a little bit of a scent to it, though. All right. I'm going to go ahead. You can go ahead and smell it. I'm going to go ahead and read from the book. It says, this is the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. This is the kind of moisturizer that makes your skin look different right after application. Its peachy tint and a hint of shimmer brighten you up instantly. I like to tap it on the high points of my face, cheekbones and temples, above the tail of my brows, across the center of my skin, and down the bridge of my nose for a natural looking highlight. But you can easily wear it all over to create a velvety base for a full face of foundation. Not a bad idea because it's also got coconut to hydrate. And since I'm a sucker for vacation-y scents, I'm happy to report this smells like a delicious tropical drink. Coconut, vanilla, and the ocean. I'm not really getting that. Is that what it smells like to you? Does that smell like coconut and vanilla and the ocean? No, it doesn't smell like coconut and vanilla and the ocean. So are you going to
keep it?
So yes, because it's not sealed, we are going to keep it. So just put it here for now. The full size price of this is $28. You can buy it at firstaidbeauty.com, and if you enter the code Allure0518 to receive 15% off your purchase, excludes skincare kits and sale items, and it's valid May 1st through June 30th. Let's go ahead and get the next item out. What do you want to pull out next?
This is a lipstick.
It looks like it might be a lipstick. Can I see it? So this says it is the CLE Clee Melting Lip Powder, long-lasting matte lip lip and cheek tint.
And it also has this comic book right here.
All right. So here's the packaging. Okay. Now, I will say that I cheated. And I watched a video from Abadabs this morning. And what I learned from her video is that the powder will get everywhere if you're not careful. So I'm going to try my hardest not to get the powder everywhere.
Should I read the thing?
Yeah, if you want to, you can read it. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on the back of my hand. So it is a powder, but it definitely turns into a liquid. And I'm curious.
Yeah, because there's liquid in there.
Yeah, it does it if you just touch it with your hand, too.
They are extremely when they sound like powders are spread all over your lips. So it is a lipstick.
Yeah. I'm going to try to get this off my skin.
Then
Can I read it? All right. So this is the CLE. You want to hold it up? This is the CLE Melting Lip Powder in Desert Rose. It is a very pretty color. I'll give it that. If you haven't tried lip powders, they're exactly what they sound like. Powders that you spread over your lips.
Yeah, that's what I said.
And it does stain a little bit too. Even with a wipe, it does stain just a little bit. And then they magically turn into smooth lip tints. Well, that would explain the staining, right?
Yeah.
They deliver color that's more pigmented and buildable than a stain, but just as natural looking. This summery matte raspberry shade from Klee, I'm assuming that's how you pronounce it, is Klee, goes on easily with a wand. You may think it'd be messy. It's surprisingly not, as long as you're careful. But you wouldn't be alone in your fears. I made a bib out of a napkin the first time I used this because I thought it would flake all over my sweater, says Amanda Bonson, a beauty assistant at Allure. But it melted in my lips and felt even right away. It was actually a lot of fun to use. It quickly dried into a matte berry stain that didn't settle into cracks or feel tight like a lot of other matte stains can. It kind of felt like I had nothing on, but it still stayed put. So the price on this is $19.99. You can buy it at kleecosmetics.com. And if you enter the code Allure30, you receive 30% off your purchase from May 1st through June 15th.
Okay.
All right, put it on over there and go ahead and grab the next item.
And
take this one?
Spray. This is a Kentra Dry Oil Control Spray. Medium hold, not for spray, 14, new tapes freeze.
Okay, you're going to hold it up and show it to the camera? I'm going to hold it a little bit closer than that. All right. You want to hold this and I'll read the book? Or do you want to read the book?
I'll read the book.
You'll read the book. Okay, I'll hold it up. You read the book. So this is the Kenra Dry Oil Control Spray.
This hairspray does what its
Promises.
This promise gives
medium hold,
but the real reason I love it's for all of my hair prevention smart
hair perfecting perks.
It smooths my
flyaways
and
frizz
without
flattening
out my
texture.
I use it on days when I want to make my hair dry.
My air-dried waves
look less
fuzzy.
So I get
polished hair
in
a fraction of the time.
It usually takes,
yeah,
but it's not even my favorite part.
Uh-huh.
It gives my hair a crazy amount of shining because it's loaded with natural oils.
Yeah, including macadamia, argan, sweet almond, and grapeseed. But it's light enough that it didn't weigh down my fine hair. I can even use it to control flyaways at the roots without getting helmet hair. So that's that. So that's a hairspray.
Yeah, this is the price.
Oh, you're going to read the price?
Price is $19.
Yeah.
Where do you buy it?
Ulta.com.
All right.
All right. Go ahead and pick the next thing out.
All right. We're doing that.
You're going to pull that one out?
This mystery.
So I think this is a bonus item this month. Yes, it is. It is not in the book. So every once in a while, Allure will put like one of these little bags in here. And it says Beauty Loot. I think that's, yeah, Beauty Loot.
Beauty bare hand.
So
extra strong hold.
Yeah, this is the L'Oreal Paris.
Kind of like a spray for your hair to hold this much.
Yeah, it's the L'Oreal Paris Elnet Satin. It's extra strong hold. It disappears at the stroke of a brush. And it's humidity resistant hairspray.
Hold it in it.
That's pretty good. You want me to hold it up close? So there is the packaging. And there's nothing really to read on this one because it's one of the little bonus items that they sometimes put in the box.
And the last but definitely not
least. Oh no, there's 2 more things in here. Because this is another thing too.
So there's got to be something in there.
Okay.
All right.
So what is this one?
Shropee one night only.
This is the Saint Tropez Instant Tan Finishing Gloss. And let's hold it up to the camera. Here it is. All right. And are you reading this one? Whoops. Are you reading this one? You want to read this one right here. There was possibility to get 2 different items in your box this month. You could have gotten this one or the Saint Tropez Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Mousse. So this is the one you want to read right here.
This body moisture
Can I read it?
Has a soft
Can I read this one? And you'll read that one? All right, so I'm going to read this one. It says, this body bronzer has a soft tint and shimmer, so you can't go overboard. I like putting it on the tops of my shoulders and collarbones for a little something something when I'm getting dressed up. And because it's a temporary wash-off bronzer, you can experiment without winding up with streaky consequences. I also enlisted our resident bronzing expert to help test it out. It gives very subtle color, but a really nice sheen, says Taylor Shea, Allure's assistant business manager. That nice glow stayed all day. The hint of color also evened out my skin tone without making me look like I was wearing body makeup. Best of all, it washes off, so you can just use it on exposed skin instead of having to self-tan your whole body. The price for this is $25, and you can buy it at Ulta.com. It says you could have either gotten the Saint Tropez Instant Tan Finishing Gloss or the Saint Tropez Self-Tan Purity Bronzing Water Mousse. So I'm curious if this has a safety seal. It does have a safety seal.
Yay.
Otherwise, you were going to get some on your arm. Do you want some on your arm anyway?
No.
I didn't think so.
Because most of all, it could wash off.
It does wash off, yes. So you want to go ahead and pull that out? No, don't open it. Just pull the package out.
It's Beauty.
Wonder Beauty.
It's Blank Calm Good Eye Mask. So it's a mask.
Yes. So this is the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. And there are 2 of them in here. Nicholas has one and I have one. So I'm going to give you the book. And I'm going to go ahead and hold this up for them to see what it looks like. Okay.
No, it's fucking something.
All right. So this is gold eye masks. That's cool. You going to read it from the book? Or do you want me to ring it? These blinged out patches
were made for
makeup selfies. Or mask selfies, I'm sorry. You were right. I said makeup, you said masks.
You can masquerade a smooth...
I love that you can moisturize and soothe your under eyes.
And like that?
Yes, like this. And look good while doing it. The gold foil right here makes me feel extra glamorous.
Says
Jihan Forbes
and
Allure digital editor. They're nice
and
calming
because they've got
aloe
and a skin cooling effect. It's made them a favorite around the
office
and the godsend after late nights. I keep a box at my desk.
And subtly. Wait, I'm sorry. I'm telling you wrong. And another at home.
I love how they leave behind a soft shimmer that subtly brings up my eye
puffiness.
This is my big big
under eye concern. Adds Jessa Callor, an editorial assistant at Allure.
These help bring it down really quickly.
Yes.
So you gotta be careful with that. And they calm off clean. Our other masks leave a sticky residue you have to wash off, but they're bigger than a lot of masks. So I have to snip them so they don't get into under corners of my eyes.
The outer corners of my eyes. And the price is
$25 for 6 pairs.
You can get them at wonderbeauty.com and enter Allure 20618. I don't know why it's 20618, but
20% off your purchase cannot be
combined with other promotions and discounts, and it's valid from
May 1st through all the way to July 30th.
July 31st. That's right.
2018.
Okay, and that is everything in our Allure Boxes month. Do we want to go back over them real quick?
No.
So we've got 2 of the Wonder Beauty eye masks. That's pretty cool. We got the Saint Tropez One Night Only Gloss. I might actually give this a try. I've been very scared to do self-tanners. So,
does it give you nightmares?
It doesn't give me nightmares, no.
Alright.
But I've been very concerned about trying these. So, since this is just a put it on and wash it off, I might actually try this for the first time in my life.
Alright.
Okay, and then we've got the L'Oreal Paris L-Net Satin Extra Strong Hold Hairspray. You're going to put that back in the bag. The Kenra Dry Oil Control Spray, which is medium hold. I give that to you. We've got the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer, which is pretty cool. And last but certainly not least, we've got the Klee Melting Lip Powder, long-lasting matte lip and cheek tint. That's pretty cool. It's in the color Desert Rose. I've never tried anything like that before, so that's pretty cool. You want to hold the box up and show them? There we are. That is the Allure box for May 2018, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how many products did we end up getting? Did you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 if you count both masks. And before we open the box, you thought how many was going to be in there?
Thought it was like 4 or 5 things.
Nick thought it would be 4 or 5 things, ladies and gentlemen. So we hope you liked this video. Do you have anything else you want to say?
Hi.
Hi. Okay. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when we do upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. Let us know how you think Nick did in unboxing the Allure box.
Part 2.
Part 2 of his unboxing career. So, anyway, we do hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail.
Bye.
Bye.